Hi everyone, so welcome to Wednesday, July 29th, descriptive writing piece. Now when we say descriptive writing, what do we mean? We mean we are using adjectives to describe something or someone. So we're going to start off with a couple of examples today. So obviously this is a rainbow. If we were using adjectives to describe a rainbow, what could we say? Lots and lots of colors. The first word that comes to my mind would be colorful. So that is a colorful rainbow. What else could we say about a rainbow? Look at the shape of the rainbow. So that's like an arch or a semicircle. So we could say the rainbow is an arch shape. What else could we say? I think a rainbow is rather pretty. Pretty is another adjective. So there are our three adjectives to describe a rainbow: colorful, arch, pretty. Okay, so that's a rainbow. What about if we have this little puppy dog? What adjectives could we use to describe a puppy dog? Looks quite cute, doesn't it? Cute is an adjective that would describe the puppy. We could look at the color. The puppy is white. So colors are adjectives that describe. And we could look at the size. It's a small puppy. Small is an adjective that will also describe something or someone. So with our puppy, we've got cute, white, small. What if we were to describe a person? Could we describe a person as cute? We could. Small? We could. Let's see. If you were describing your friend or your teacher or your brother or your sister, what sorts of adjectives would you use to describe the person? Would you say a person was colorful like a rainbow or cute like a puppy? Try and think of 6 adjectives that would describe a person. I've started you off by saying tall and short. So just get a piece of paper, it doesn't have to be anything fancy, and write 6 adjectives that would describe a person. So you could think about a particular friend or teacher, your brother, your sister, your mum, your dad, anyone. You can have my 2, tall and short, and you think of 4 more. So you add that in there. When you've done that, get your scrapbook out, the one without the lines, and we're going to find a new page. And this is your title, How to Babysit a Grandma. And there's today's date. Oh, we forgot an at the end. All right. How to babysit a grandma. Now, I have typed this in a rather fancy font because that is my title. Uh-oh, I have just found a mistake. Do you know what it is? Because it's my title, it's all in capital letters, but look what happened here. I did a lowercase n in the middle of a word. So if you have made a mistake, don't rub it out, just put a line through it and then write the capital above it. But because I can do it on the computer, I can correct that mistake. How to babysit a grandma. So I have chosen this picture from the book as an example. You have a look at the book again and draw grandma in the middle of the page. You don't have to write all these words. You can just draw this picture, or you can draw this picture. Have a look at the grandma particularly, all right? So whichever picture you choose, you draw grandma. And then underneath the picture of the grandma, it's gone back to this font again. Guys, this is going to be very small. I want you to think of 6 adjectives that you write at the bottom underneath the picture of the grandma that describes her. Could be, is she tall? Is she short? Go back to your list here where you will have 4 more adjectives and think, does that describe this grandma here? Don't know. So that is your task today. All right, so have a look, go back through the whole thing if you want to. This is how we describe a rainbow. Colorful, arch, pretty. This is how we described the puppy. Cute, white, small. Then we've brainstormed 6 adjectives. Well, I've given you 2, so you will have 4 more. Think of what adjectives you have chosen. Then get your scrapbook out and write the title. You can do it fancy like me, or you can just do it in capital letters. It's up to you. Write the date and draw a picture of the grandma in the middle. And then underneath you write your 6 adjectives to describe the grandma in the story. And then you upload it to Cecil. Now I want you to try and upload yourself always. Okay, if you're still not sure, ask mum or dad for help, but try and learn for yourself. Remember, we're all about reading and writing and being independent. So I'm looking forward to seeing your pictures and your adjectives.